What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Diecast. Dad, I want to take this brief moment to thank each and every one of you guys for coming to the channel and hanging out with me. We're going to be going through some stuff that I recently acquired. Nothing crazy like the last model stash haul, but we still got some goodies, so let's go ahead and get into it. First up, we got a bag that has the Vega Modified Parts in it. Pretty much the Vega rat trap. Not sure exactly what this kit is. I just know that it's like the Vega rat trap and it's a Vega modified. So we got the hood piece. Got the frame, interior tub, the rear interior tub, and the body. Not too sure what I'm going to be doing with it, but might be doing something. Then I got a 65 Nova body, Nova SS. It's already been painted. Honestly, not that bad. Does have some water spots and a little bit where it rubbed right here, but whoever painted it actually did a pretty decent job. But we have that body. Then we have a 69 Chevelle. Again, painted pretty decently. I mean, it looks like they painted like chrome first. Again, not sure what we're going to do with that yet. Then we got a Cyclone NASCAR body. Just in the white styrene. Then we have a Datsun 280Z. Again, somebody painted this pretty good. But it does have some damage. But whoever painted it, again, they did a pretty good job. Has the motor in the back. So not too sure what they were building, but they're pretty much just like a parts box grab. Got some Tamiya color. Pretty full kind of can. So this one's definitely full. Same color. TS15 blue. So they were used. But we're gonna give them a try. Paint some Ford engines or something. Then we got a gold TS21, brand new. So they should still work. We got a street custom 1972 Chevelle SS. This was already started, but all the parts are there. And I'm not sure what happened there, but again, they painted it on the top. It looks really good. Really nice color. Green with like a metal flake. I really like that color, but not sure. Maybe they started running out of paint. I have no idea. Here's the glass. Here's the frame. So we're gonna strip it down one of these days and build her up. Honestly, the interior tub ain't that bad. So really need to glue in the back seat, but that tan color ain't that bad. It's mainly the body. And even the hood is painted pretty decent, I mean, for the most part. But looks like they were building the engine stock. We got another set of wheels in here, more engine parts, some blowers and stuff. So might be able to do something. There isn't any instructions, but it's pretty much built, so I think we can figure it out. And the last thing that I have is probably the coolest grab of the day. We got a Tom Daniels Vandal Monogram 1996 release. So it is missing the top to the seat and the mini bike tire. But let's go ahead and get into it. So somebody did start this. So interior tub. So they got the disco ball in there, and they put some of the posters up in the van. There's the bottom. More of the parts, doors. Glass. Motor. Tires. Still on the little sprues. Here's the seat. So my father-in-law got this, picked it up for me. He knows I've been wanting one, so he grabbed it, and then he went through and inventoried all the parts. So it's mostly all there. So he threw this seat in there. Pretty much matches what would have been in there. I mean, close enough. You know, we'll figure it out. I think this is the original seat. It's just molded in black. And he threw in like this seat. And this is another seat. So not too sure. I'm pretty sure we can get something to work, figure it out. But steering wheel, here's the mini bike. Got the engine all glued up. There's one of the tires. So I'm thinking if I get one of those Hobby Lobby kits that has a mini bike, I could probably take the wheel off of that. I'm not sure if those are plastic rims and a rubber tire or just all plastic tire. but maybe we can get that built up. Got the leaf springs, wheel backs, a little wooden bumpers. Here's one of those wheel backs. And here's the chrome tree. Got the pipes. Everything's pretty much there. There's the rims. And then we got the Vandal decals. And here's the instructions. So, copyright 1972. But like I said, this is the 1996 release of it. But definitely a good grab. I've been wanting this kit for quite a while. I seen one at the local hobby shop. It was a bagged kit, and I was gonna grab it, then I changed my mind because I like building my own stuff, but because that was a kit that was mostly built, it just needed put back together. I passed on it, and then it was gone next time I went in there. So I have a problem with doing that, where I want something but I just don't grab it sometimes, and next thing you know, it ain't there anymore. Sometimes that happens. But that's what we got. If I can get this all closed up. But box is not in the best shape, but you know, we're gonna build it up. So looks like it's been wet before and stuff, but like I said, we're gonna build it. So thanks guys for coming along and hanging out with me and going through the stuff I picked up. Like I said, it's not that big of a haul like last time, but if you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. We got 17 awesome model kits. So I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.